Say hi.
Hi guys.
Say something other than hi guys.
You said
how was your day? How was your day? How was your day?
My day was great.
What else? You want to take the camera and vlog yourself? Here, take the camera. Come on, vlog. Don't make this uncomfortable.
You're making it uncomfortable.
No, you don't make this uncomfortable. Yeah. How am I making it uncomfortable?
Because you told me to take the camera and
no,
go vlog.
just take the camera and go vlog.
I don't need to.
Come on.
It's not right now. Maybe tomorrow. Why?
Hey guys. So, just got back from church. It was a good service. We had to say goodbye to our pastor. We've known him for 6 years, even though he's still available to us because he's a friend now for life. But it was bittersweet to say goodbye to him and his wife and children. So we just got back in the house, getting ready to edit a video. But the video that I'm getting ready to edit are before Christmas. So that makes no sense whatsoever because they're videos before Christmas. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Hubby is over here eating his food. He's going vegan again. Well, not strict vegan, but yeah, he's gonna be he's gonna go back to being vegan because he's been watching documentary again, and usually when that happens he changes up our eating habits and we have to eat no meat for as long as he sees fit, and then come summertime when he wants to grill, then we can consume meat again. So that's the type of vegan that my husband is, okay? Don't let him fool you. Summertime, he is full-blown, what is it, omnivore?
He's the omnivore.
Omnivore.
Carnivore.
Carnivore?
No, omnivore actually.
Omnivore is someone that eats vegetable and meat, right?
Yes. Yes. Carnivores eat
just meat.
Omnivore. Wait, no, that's omnivore.
Whatever.
There's the other one.
But during the summertime, he is strictly about his meat. Throw him his chicken on the grill. He just sit out there and grill. In the wintertime when it's cold and he's hibernating, you feel the need to not eat meat. So that's who hubby is, and you guys just gotta learn to love him. He doesn't mean us anything. Here is Mr. Jordan. You don't know my name? And I didn't know your name. I birthed you. I carried you for 6 months. Is it 6 months? I birthed him. 6.5 months. Yeah. So, the twins. Come on, huh? Come closer. So I have the twins here. Say hello, twins. Hi. We have Jason.
That's Jordan.
Jason. We have Jason right here.
I'm not Jason.
You're not Jason? Okay, no. Fine. We have Jason right here. Mr. Handsome. He's so handsome. And then we have Jordan right here. Don't call him that. That's mean. Okay, you guys go fight it out. And then the Miss Maddie. Look at her. Say hi. What are you doing? Did you go to church? Let me see your pretty dress. Let me see your pretty dress. Ooh. You want me to put it back? What did you do? Why are you over here where you're not supposed to be?
In the dark, okay? Stop. Weirdo. I asked for you too. I asked myself.
And then we have Princess here doing what princesses do. And then we're gonna find you. Where is he? Jaxson. He wanted to be a big boy today and wear white on the shirt. Usually he wears the white beater. These are the boys. But he's a big boy today. So the next footage after this clip is gonna be old stuff. so that way you guys don't watch. But the house is back to normal. I took down all the Christmas stuff except for that red truck up there, and then the Christmas mugs. But except for, apart from that,
you can continue talking until you after.
Apart from that, everything else is down. The tree's gone. So anyways, stay tuned for the next clip. Juju, go back. You're not going anywhere. Get back. Go. Go. Juju, get back. Excuse me, Jack.
Yeah, but he knows. He's not that. That's not the one. You want to see? It's the other side.
Get out of there. Today is what is today? Friday? Today's Friday. Just picking up the camera after all that holiday stuff. I'm starting to take Christmas stuff down. I took all the wreaths off my windows, all the decoration from outside. I took all of that out, and I went and got 2 bins. I need to get more, but I went to Habitat for Humanity. That's kind of like my favorite store now. So I'm gonna go charge my battery and come right back to you guys.
Where's that other one?
Booker, stop playing with your freaking crunch and eat. I'm not playing with
So we're taking down the tree. So today is the last day that this is She's coming down today, the 27th. I'm just overwhelmed. 28. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm ready for my house to get back to normal. Be careful. No. Take that out. That's not what I said. Take it out. Put it on the table. All the picks go on the table. Come on, Jason. All the picks go on the table. The ornaments go in the bin. No, there was no picks in there. All the ornaments are going in the bin, in that bin. The picks. And please don't hold them like that. You're going to break them.
What? The picks?
The picks. Hey girl, what are you eating? You eating chips? The snowflakes? Just collect them, please. They go... Oh my gosh, Jason. This is why I don't ask for help. This is why I do not ask for help. Because you saw 2 separate piles here. These little red picks go off to the side, separate from these other picks. Create a pile for each set of picks that are different. Those are different from that. This is different from that. Yes, yes, yes. Good job. All right, let's keep going. Leah, what are you doing? What are you eating?
Chips.
I'm gonna go finish this tree. I'll be back. So tree's down, undecorated, separated. I got the ornaments here. I still have to undecorate the kids. And then I have all the picks. I still got ribbons. I still have the decor up there. I took a lot. Still gotta get that guy right there. This center right here is okay. This piece right here, I still have that whole section. And this little table, pillows and throw blankets. And then I'll be done. Sounds like a lot. Right, Maddie? Yeah. That's good, Jason. Alright, pick up the skirt and fold it up.
Yeah.
Good job, honey, with the pantry. What's in here? What was in here?
This shoot.
Oh, cocoa.
Yeah, I think I have to go to the store and buy shit that we already have. Quadruple on them.
Okay, all traces of Christmas is absent from the living room. And I cleaned the carpet. And over there, I cleaned over there. Took some Christmas down. It's not a lot, it's just the red truck and the mugs. And that should be it.
Turn that off. Turn it off.
Daddy worked on the kitchen, but he didn't take the stuff down. He just cleaned it. So maybe tomorrow or no, Sunday. Because my in-laws are coming for New Year's, so I have to get this house back in tip-top shape before they come. Oh, I'm tired. Ooh. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a sunshine.
Are you watching it?
If you guys could see what my husband was doing, you would laugh. But anyways, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become, yes, and become a sunshine. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.